Life is a journey filled with twists and turns, highs and lows, triumphs and setbacks. Along the way, we often find ourselves holding onto things that no longer serve us. Grudges, regrets, disappointments, weighing us down like anchors in the sea of possibility. Today, I want to remind you of the liberating power of letting things go and learning to move on. Imagine carrying a heavy backpack filled with rocks. Each rock represents a past hurt, a missed opportunity, or a lingering regret. As you continue to carry this burden, it becomes increasingly difficult to move forward, to embrace the present moment, and to welcome the opportunities that await you. But here's the truth. You have the power to set down that backpack, to release the weight of the past, and to step into the lightness of being that comes with letting go. Letting go doesn't mean forgetting or condoning the past. It means choosing to release the grip of resentment and regret, freeing yourself from chains that bind you to old wounds. It's about reclaiming your power, your peace of mind, and your ability to create a brighter future. Learning to move on requires courage, compassion, and a willingness to embrace the unknown. It's about trusting in the process of life, knowing that every ending is also a new beginning waiting to unfold. So as you stand at the crossroads of your journey, I urge you to let go of the things that no longer serve you. Release the past with gratitude for the lessons it has taught, and step boldly into the infinite possibilities of the present moment.